Hello friends, I'm Neetu Vats. I welcome you all on your favorite YouTube channel, the GS Sutra. Friends, today I bring you some important famous works and their authors for you for the point of view of forthcoming examinations like TGT, PGT, LT grade and USKBS. I hope you will like all these famous works and their writers. So friends, let's go for your first question. Let's go for your first book. Friends, first book है हमारी The Alchemist. Alchemist is a comedy. It is written by Ben Jonson. This question has been asked in 2010 in TGT. You have to note down this. Next is Alice in Wonderland. This is written by Lewis Carroll. Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. Next is Ars Poetica. It is written by Horace. Next is The Bend in the Ganges, is written by Manohar Malgonskar. It is also asked in 2009 in TGT. Come to next book. A Doll's House is also famous work by Henry Ibsen. This question is also asked in 2009. Next is An Essay on Dramatic Poesy, is written by Dryden. A Passage to India is written by M. Foster. Vindication of the Rights of Women is written by Mary Wollstonecraft. Next is The Beggar's Opera, is written by John Gay. Next is Biographia Literaria. This is the important work and famous work which is written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Friends, this book also has been asked in PGT 2004. Next is Brave New World, Aldous Huxley. Next is Civil Disobedience, Henry David Thoreau. Next is Divine Comedy. It's a famous work by Dante. Next is Don Quixote. Is written by Cervantes. This book is also asked in 2004. You have to note down this. Next is Dr. Faustus. Dr. Faustus is a famous work of Christopher Marlowe. Next is Edward III. Edward III is also written by Marlowe. Euphues, The Anatomy of Wit, is written by John Lilly. Gulliver's Travels. This question is also asked in DSSB 2015. Jonathan Swift. Hudibras is also written by Samuel Butler. Leviathan is a famous work of Thomas Hobbes. Life of Pi is written by Jan Martel. Next is Lives of the English Poets, is written by Dr. Johnson. Lords of the Flies, written by William Golding. Mac Flecknoe is written by John Dryden. Middlemarch is also written by George Eliot. Mill on the Floors is one of the important work, friends. You have to note down this. Mill on the Floors, George Eliot, and The Lord of the Flies, William Golding, and The Life of Pi, Ian Martel. And next is Gulliver's Travel. Next is Gulliver's Travel. You also note down this. And Leviathan is also asked in DSSB 2015. Thomas Hobbes. And there are some also important work which are asked in different type of examination like Divine Comedy. You have to note down these: Don Quixote, Cervantes, Dr. Faustus, Marlowe, and Gulliver's Travel, Jonathan Swift, Hudibras, Samuel Butler. And Biographia Literaria is also one of the important work, friends, by S.T. Coleridge. You have to note down all these works. Come to next works. Next book is, friends, Moby Dick. Moby Dick is written by Herman Melville. Next is Midnight Children. It is written by Salman Rushdie. Next is Metamorphosis. It is written by Ovid. This is one of the most important work. And Midnight Children also by Salman Rushdie. Moby Dick is also Herman Melville. Next is Mrs. Dalloway, written by Virginia Woolf. You have to note down this. And New Atlantis, it is written by Bacon. Oedipus the King, Sophocles. Orinoco Afra Van, it is also one of the important work you have to note down. Pilgrim's Progress, it is written by John Bunyan. Pride and Prejudice, this is the famous work of Jane Austen. Principles of Psychology by William James. Come to next, Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, it is written by James Joyce. And next is Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is also written by Francis Daniel Defoe. This question is also asked in 2001. Next is Sartor Resartus. This one is also important work of Carlyle. It has been asked in 2010. 7 Types of Ambiguity by William Emerson. Sexual Politics by Kate Millett. Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle. Come to next, The Iliad and the Odyssey. It is the famous work of Homer. Come to next, The Divine Comedy. This one is also famous by Dante. Next is Canterbury Tales. It is written by Geoffrey Chaucer. The Faerie Queene, written by Edmund Spenser. Come to French Revolution. This is the work of Thomas Carlyle. The God of Small Things. It is written by Arundhati Roy. Next is The Lord of Flies by William Golding. The Aspects of the Novel, E.M. Forster. The Inheritance of Laws, Kiran Desai. The King's Square is also written by King James. Next is The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. The Rape of the Lock, Alexander Pope, in 5 cantos. Friends, The Rape of Lock is written in 5 cantos by Alexander Pope. Next is The School for Scandal. It is written by Sheridan. The Sorrows of Young Werther. It is also written by Goethe. Next is Things Fall Apart. This is written by Chinua Achebe. Friends, Chinua Achebe is a famous African writer. Next is The Time Machine. Time Machine is written by H.G. Wells. फ्रेंड्स, इनमें कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बुक हैं जो आपको नोट डाउन करनी होंगी, जैसे आपका है यहाँ पर द लॉर्ड ऑफ फ्लाइज बाय विलियम गोल्डिंग, द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स बाय अरुंधति रॉय, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन है आपका थॉमस कार्लाइल का, और नेक्स्ट है आपका द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पेसिस बाय चार्ल्स डार्विन, नेक्स्ट इज द रेप ऑफ लॉक बाय अलेक्जेंडर पॉप, स्कूल ऑफ स्कैंडल बाय शेरिडन. You have to note down all this and Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. Come to next books. There are a few books also. Next is The Power and the Glory. It is written by Graham Greene. Next is Lighthouse, written by Virginia Woolf. The Aeneid is written by Virgil. The Vanity of Human Wishes, it is written by Dr. Johnson. The Vicar of Wakefield is written by Oliver Goldsmith. The Wealth of Nations, it is written by Adam Smith. The White Devil is also important work of the John Webster. The White Tiger is written by Arvind Adiga. Next is Banbange, H.G. Wells. Next is Treasure Island, R.L. Stevenson. Kidnapped is also written by R.L. Stevenson. Ulysses is the famous work of James Joyce. Utopia 1516 is written by Sir Thomas More. Waiting for Godot is written by Samuel Beckett. War and Peace is written by Leo Tolstoy. And Wuthering Heights is written by Emily Bronte. यहाँ पर भी कुछ फेमस वर्क हैं फ्रेंड, जिनको आप अंडरलाइन भी करेंगे और नोट डाउन करेंगे, जैसे वेटिंग फॉर गॉडॉट इज रिटन बाय सैमुअल बेकेट, जो कई बार एग्जाम में पूछा जा चुका है. वहीं यूटोपिया कई बार पूछा जा चुका है फ्रेंड्स एग्जाम में. वहीं यूलाइसेस, जेम्स जोयस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द वाइट टाइगर बाय अरविंद अडीगा. एंड सम ऑफ द फेमस वर्क यू हैव टू ऑल्सो नोट डाउन फ्रेंड्स, as the Aeneid. Aeneid is written by Virgil. And next is The Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith. The White Devil was written by John Webster. So friends, ये थी कुछ फेमस वर्क्स और उनके फेमस राइटर्स. आई होप मेरी ये वीडियो फ्रेंड्स आपको पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो, ये मेरा प्रयास पसंद आता है फ्रेंड्स, तो मैं इसी तरीके की और भी काफ़ी सारी वीडियो आपके लिए लेकर आऊँगी, जैसे पोएट लॉरिएट and major terms, authors who coined them, and many other ऑल्सो। अगर आपको ये फ्रेंड मेरा एफर्ट पसंद आया है, मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है, तो आप मेरे इस चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर भी करें।